Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In the previous tutorial, we learned what is the page object model concept, why we need the page object model concept, what is the benefits of the page object model concept, and how we create the page object model concept. In this tutorial, I am going to discuss why we need to separate our element locators from the pages file, what is the benefits, right, and how we separate the element locators. So as example here, you can see there is a logout method we created in the previous tutorial where I am passing this user drop down locator. If I go here, you can see there are some more options are available like about, support, change password, logout, which is under the drop down. This one, right? Similar type, maybe one locators we can use in different places, in multiple places, right? Like suppose that if we want to create method to click on the about button, so we will do like this. A text about A is in caps, this one. So this locator is created which is about. So if we want to click on about button, so we will do like this. Click on about or select about, and then here method, like this. Before that I want to click on the drop down, then we can click. Similar type, if we want to select the next value from here drop down to click on the suppose that support, then we will click on the support. So click on support. Okay, so here you can see this locator, drop down locator, I'm using three places. So it means in case if there is a changes in the locator, we need to update in all the three places. So similar type, more locators, lot of locators which we need to put in multiple places due to the requirement in the function. Okay, so better to make to reduce this duplicacy of the code, we can move this in a particular location. So like here at the class level, I'm going to put as well as in separate file we can also do. So I will show also in the separate file how we do in the next tutorial. But as of now, I'm going to put locator in the same file. So like user drop down equal to and the put locator in the brackets by that CSS selector and this is locator. And then you now we are going to use this. So now I'm going to use this variables in our test script. So directly instead of using the locator, I will call this variable. So we need to call the self dot variable name. So this is the tuple, so we can put the value same using the asterisk. Now let me replace this. Okay, here you can see I replace the locator by using the variable. So if in case we need to change this locator in the future, we need to update only at only one place. Why we need change? So maybe this locator is not working, so this is updated in the application. So in that case we need to update, otherwise our test will not run. So now let me run the login test and you will see. Yeah, it's working fine now. Okay, now let me move all the locators from the functions and put into the top, right, at a class level, and then we can call from the here in our test script. Okay, so let's now move all the locators. Okay, so now I moved all the locators from the pages file, from the methods, right? You can see there is no hard-coded locators is available under this method. So all the locators I put on the top, right, in the class label at a class, and then in our methods we are directly calling the asterisk self and then variable name. Where needed, the element locators or any particular element locators, we are calling just variable of that locator. You can see. So now our pages file is cleaned from the hard-coded locators in the method, and in case in the future if needed we need to update only one place, uh, right, in corresponding locators, it will be automatically updated, means updated, and start using the latest locators what we are putting here throughout the methods. Similar type in the dashboard page, you can see I moved all the locators in the top up, right. uh, I moved all the locators at the top in the class, and then in the methods only calling the variables. So in the user page, I moved all the locators and put here at the top, you can see, and in the method I am just calling these locators where needed. In this way our function is separated from the locators. This will be more readable format. It will be much helpful in maintenance during the maintenance time, okay, and more readable format also. So let me run whole the test and you will see it will work. Okay, running the test. Yeah, two tests passed. It's running now next test. Okay, so execution done. We can see there is one failed and four tests pass. The failed test, this is the test create user where we have some data issue. That's why it's failed. Okay, so in this way we can design our page object files by separating element locators from the function. So this is the one way we can put our locators in the same file by creating some variables, right? Other way, right, we can also separate our element locators from the pages file. We will create a separate file and then there we will put the element locators and use in our test script. So in the next tutorial I will discuss and show you how we use the other approach to separate our locators from the pages files and put into separate files. If you like the tutorial, please click on the like button, subscribe the channel, click on the bell icon so that you can get latest videos notification. Also share this tutorial to your friends and colleagues. Thanks for watching the video and let's meet in the next tutorial.